There we go. Oh yeah. So, Mike and Sarah, I don't know if I can get you. Go on, mate, go on. The player's just about to get T-boned. Behind him. There we go, he's down. Oh, come on. There we go, he's dead. Good job, guys. No worries. No, it's not. Oh, he is. No, he's getting his pistol out. No, he's getting his pistol out. He's annoyed. Oh, he thought he got friendly fired. Come on, mate. Guy in the grey hoodie. Yo, stand up there and look that way. There's a dead player just in front of you. He's just about to get revived. He's dead, don't worry. No, not yet.